Welcome back, viewers. Let's begin with some breaking update that's coming in right now in connection to the Himachal austerity drive amid financial woes. The Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh and the ministers have decided to forego their salaries. Chief Minister Suku is all set to forego his salary. The Chief Minister has said that financial condition of the state is worrying, and he's also said that revenues of the state have severely depleted. All right, so these are the financial woes of Himachal Pradesh. The Chief Minister and the ministers there now deciding to forego their salary. In fact, the Chief Minister has decided to let go of 2 months of salary. He says that the financial condition of the state is worrying and also the revenues have also severely depleted. So Himachal Pradesh, of course, has been hit with multiple natural calamities over the past couple of years, and the state has, of course, grappled with financial constraints as well to deal with the situation. The Senate has, of course, extended a helping hand as well on multiple fronts, but still the state has found it difficult to recover from these tragedies, and now it's like the financial conditions have gone beyond repair, given the fact that the Chief Minister of the state has also now started talking about it and has decided to forego salary of 2 months. Not just him, but also his ministers have also decided to do the same.
और अधिकारी को हम ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम देंगे, क्योंकि मैं भी खुद एक कर्मचारी का बेटा हूं, मैं पीड़ा को जानता। इस संदर्भ में हमारी सरकार ने ये फैसला किया कि जो हमारी रेवेन्यू डेफिसिट ग्रांट जो वर्ष 2023-24 में घटकर जो 24-25 सिर्फ 3,000 करोड़ रुपया रह जाएगी। इसके अलावा जब आपदा आती है, आपदा के बाद हमारे को जो हमारे टैक्सेस होते हैं उसका एक शेयर आपदा में रखा जाता है। किसी भी प्रदेश पर जब कोई संकट आता है तो उस शेयर का कोई हिस्सा प्रदेश को आपदा के बाद जो उसकी योजनाओं को क्षति पहुंचती है, सड़कों को क्षति पहुंचती है, उसके लिए मिलता है। उसको बोलते हैं PDNA, पोस्ट डिजास्टर नीड असेसमेंट, यानी कि आपदा के बाद ये जरूरी है कि इस पैसे को देना चाहिए। तकरीबन केंद्र सरकार की टीमें भी आई, केंद्र के सरकार की टीमों ने भी देखा और तकरीबन 9,042 करोड़ रुपए की राशि हमने केंद्र सरकार के पास भेजी। अभी तक वो PDNA की कोई भी राशि हमें प्राप्त नहीं हुई।